Ito talaga yung lechon.
Hi everyone, Don here. And today's video, bibisita muna kami sa Queen City of South, Cebu. 10 PM ng gabi, bumiyahe na kami papuntang airport. Although yung flight namin 3 AM pa naman, pero mas mabuti na rin yung maaga. Today is December 12, medyo wala pa namang masyadong bumabiyahe. Maluwag yung airport, so maybe December 20th onwards, medyo busy na yan. And eto na, naka-boarding group number 4 kami, so medyo huli kami nakapasok ng plane. Finally, we arrive at Mactan International Airport. Maayong pag-abot sa Cebu. Para makatipid, instead of Grab, magbabas na lang kami. Nasa 50 pesos lang kasi per head. From Mactan Cebu Airport, going to SM Cebu. Nasa 45 to 50 minutes ang biyahe. And after namin makapag-check-in sa hotel, nakapagbihis na rin kami. Ang first stop natin, dito sa Sugbo Mercado, kung saan matitikman ang pinagmamalaki ng Cebu, ang Cebu's Lechon. And aside sa lechon, parang lahat ata ng gusto kong pagkain andito na in one place.
Oh, wow, lechon. Ito talaga yung lechon.
Kinaumagahan, 8 AM, ready na kami sa aming day tour.
Sit back and relax. Bye-bye.
Ayan kuya, kinakabahan kami. Ba't nagpapaalam ka na? And for our first stop sa ating day tour itinerary ay sa Taoist Temple. Taoist or Taoist? I don't know how to pronounce it, but here's my Russian friend. Hey! And for our second stop, dito tayo sa Sirao Garden.
Okay, dalawa.
Sige po. Dahan-dahan lang po.
And our next stop, ang tinaguriang Taj Mahal of the Philippines. Welcome everyone sa Temple of Leia, Cebu.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want might be a miracle.
And down to our last stop dito sa 10K Roses. Pero actually 9,999 na lang kasi nabalik ko yung isa. Some places na kasama sa itinerary namin ay hindi ko na nasali sa vlog na to kasi sobrang haba na niya and pagoda na rin ako mag-edit. That's it. I hope you enjoy everyone for this video. Until next time. Bye.
Beautiful. It's got my head all up